Amor, Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread love. Your pal is back with a haul video. So again there was a sale going on Myntra, and this was end of season sale, and end of the season sale means they like give huge discounts on cards as well. So there was a 12% straight away discount if you are using HDFC card or you have debit or credit card. So these are the packaging जो कि मैंने अभी मैं खोलूंगी. Few of them are like lying in front of me. बहुत ज़्यादा है तो, but everything I'm not gonna able to show it, but few things I'm gonna show it. So let's not talk much. Get started with the video. Before having any expectation, let me tell you this video is a very random, like I have picked up very random stuff. So first of all, let me show you my favorite among all of the things which I've like got. So this is a watch. So there was huge discounts on watch as well. So I've got this Casio vintage series watch. I wanted this watch from longest time. Vintage series के जो watches है बहुत high demand के होते हैं, so they don't give it discount on them. But फिर भी इस बार like Myntra ने बहुत अच्छा discount पे दिया था. So it was like 15% discount और like 10% discount plus मुझे मैंने कार्ड वार्ड वगैरह लगाया तो और ज़्यादा मुझे मतलब डिस्काउंट पड़ गया. So this is a watch. So you can see. So ये मेरे हाथों में बहुत ढीला हो रहा है. So this is how it looks like, and so ये थोड़ा सा ब्रॉन्जी और रोज गोल्ड के टोन में, लाइक कंप्लीट पूरा शाइनी रोज गोल्ड नहीं होता है वैसा नहीं है, बट इट्स लाइक मैट. MRP इसका है 5495, बट आई हैव गॉट इट फॉर लाइक 4495 में समथिंग मुझे मिला है. So the next thing which I've got is a bag. So this is a sling bag from the brand Raspberry. Trust me, I've got it in a very amazing deal. Like I've got it for rupees like 750 80 या something ऐसे में. MRP तो दिया हुआ है like 2600 700 almost, but उतना का तो है नहीं. इसलिए if you are someone who loves like huge sling bags, so this is one for you. And also this color, this tan brown color will suit all your outfit. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको प्राइस डिस्काउंट पे दे दिया तो आपको ओल्ड स्टॉक दे दिया, ऐसा नहीं है. इट्स कंप्लीटली न्यू. कहीं से भी मुझे लाइक कुछ भी मतलब लाइक टोन या फिर कुछ भी नहीं पता चला. एंड ऑल्सो द जिप क्वालिटी इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. देयर आर सो मेनी कंपार्टमेंट्स. लाइक जनरली स्लिंग बैग में इतना ज़्यादा कंपार्टमेंट्स नहीं होता है. सो देयर इज अ डिवाइडर ओवर है. यहाँ पर एक डिवाइडर है. यहाँ पर दो छोटे छोटे पॉकेट्स हैं. ऑल्सो बीच में यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज ऑल्सो अ पाउच. सी कितना ज़्यादा इसमें कंपार्टमेंट्स है जो कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कैरी करने में इजी हो जाता है. इसका जो स्लिंग जो है ये सेम कलर के है. यू कैन सी दैट इट्स ऑल्सो द सेम कलर एंड इट्स ऑल्सो लॉन्ग है. तो आपको जैसे आपको यूज़ करना है आप कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन लाइक आप ऐसे भी कैरी कर सकते हो. सो द नेक्स्ट आई एम शोइंग यू एट नो रैंडम लाइक ऑर्डर. सो कुछ भी मैं जो मेरे हाथों के सामने आ रहा है मैं वो आपको दिखा रही हूँ. So next I've got a dress. So this is a velvet dress. So this is a noodle strap, and also it has a slit dress, very body hugging, very comfortable to wear, and also the material is velvet. So if you are a fan of velvet like me, you love to wear velvet clothes, so this is something for you. And it's also at a very amazing deal. So you will not believe that कि मुझे कितना प्राइस में मिला है. It's like only 300 rupees, like 320 rupees में मुझे ये मिला है. So the price of this was like 1400, and it is also from a very well-known brand, Tokyo Talkies. Why the camera is capturing this blue, I don't know, but it's green in color. ये कलर क्या वो कुछ ठीक से कैप्चर नहीं कर पा रहा है. But I will show you the exact image over here, or I will be wearing it and I will be inserting the pictures. Next I will show you a bag which I've got, and it's also in a very amazing deal from a brand Caprese. So this is the bag. So it was showing this color and I was thinking that कि ये जैसा color है वैसे आएगा कि नहीं exact, because I wanted the exact like जो ombre effect है इसका मुझे वैसे ही चाहिए. ये सामने से और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. एंड ऑल्सो ये इसका जो प्राइस है इट्स ऑल्सो अ वेरी गुड डील. आई हैव गॉट इट फॉर 899 रुपीज़, लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 900 रुपीज़ में मुझे मिला है. सो लेट मी शो यू द कंपार्टमेंट. सो हेयर देयर इज़ अ कंपार्टमेंट. यहाँ पर एक कंपार्टमेंट है और आपको मिलता है. एंड ऑल्सो इनसाइड देयर इज़ अ कंपार्टमेंट. तो यहाँ पर स्मॉल छोटा सा कॉइन पॉकेट नहीं होता है, वहाँ है. एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज़ नो अदर चेन. सो and also it's very spacious, like you can keep your laptop तो नहीं रख सकते हो, but you can like water bottle वगैरह आप तो रख ही सकते हो for a short trip, and like if you are going somewhere. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा है, and also the quality is very good and I'm loving the color. It's very cute and this is the way I want it and वही आया. So the next I've got a lavender jacket. I will be showing you the wearing it because आपको ऐसे नहीं समझ में आएगा. So again this jacket is from the brand Tokyo Talkies and I've got it in also a very amazing deal. 670 या 80 रुपीज़ में मुझे मिला है, which is also like बहुत अच्छा है and it's denim quality and the color you can see it very like lavender or purplish थोड़ा color है. So I wanted to have this like jacket. So this is a very amazing jacket. So you can also like grab it. So the next again I've got a denim jacket. So this is from a brand Bahama Couture. ऐसे प्लेन टाइप का डेनिम जैकेट्स तो बहुत देखे होंगे, बट इट हैज़ अ लेस वर्क इनटू इट व्हिच makes it very Indian-y and like also you can wear it with team up with your t-shirts वगैरह. Also you can wear it with your Indian outfit as well क्योंकि ये जो detailing है it looks very bohemian and it's look very like बहुत अच्छा लगता है, like different like थोड़ा सा लगता है. And also the same detailing is given on the hand. ये कभी भी ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट पे नहीं रहता है. So I've got it for 700 rupees which is also great deal. Again ये 1200 या 1100 रुपए में आता है. So this is the jacket. So I'm on the size M. I've got all these jackets because I am planning to go somewhere, but just because of this pandemic I'm not. Everything goes fine तो मैं कहीं जाऊँगी, but the thing is that it's not happening just because of this pandemic. And also I am not keeping well. Like seriously from the past like few days, like 1 week I was like literally bedridden and I have like gathered all my energy to just shoot this video. नहीं तो मेरा हालत बहुत ही ख़राब है. Even now also I don't know you are able to like pick up with my voice or not, but I'm literally like shouting for you all. I'm just doing it and also for the love for making videos and whatever. This is the part of me. So I love making video and I'm not giving you any excuse. I'm just like because you're my family also. So I'm just sharing it with you. So the next few products are from the men collection. So I've got this shirt from the brand called Roadster. So this is a very like cotton shirt and the price of this is like 600 or like 700 rupees. कैमरा में थोड़ा सा डार्क कैप्चर हो रहा है, बट द कलर इज लाइक लिटिल रस्टी ऑरेंज एंड इट हैज़ अ यूज ऑफ ब्लू लाइक द ब्लू विच आई एम ऑल्सो वेयरिंग. सो नेक्स्ट इज ऑल्सो अ शर्ट. सो दिस इज अ ब्लू. So blue is my favorite, like I'm wearing blue and this is also blue. So this is a blue shirt and so it has sky blue and like dark blue. This blue and this blue is little different. So this is a little darker one and you can see it by if you want to give someone. So this is also an amazing one. So the next is an icy blue shirt. Guys who love to wear like dark jeans, तो उनके साथ ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. And it's a all of the shirts are full hand, like I'm not opening it. And the next is a blue shirt. So it has little detailing on it. So small छोटा कुछ like prints है इसमें. So and also this is the color. So I hope these are from the men's collection. So the last product which I've got is this t-shirt which written limitless. So this is from the brand Raspberry and I've worn it and this is very comfortable. Those who and बहुत body hugging है and very soft. I already had the same texture का t-shirt like beforehand also. So that's why I wanted to have like another one. And also I've got this in a very good discount, like 191 का है, which is an amazing foreign t-shirt. So and it's written limitless. So that's it for today's haul and I don't want to make this video a lot long and also few stuffs here and there also I've like got it, but those I'm like skipping off. So for the next video I hope I will show it to you. If you love this video, you know the drill. You have to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also if you love such content on my videos, so don't forget to hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe me. You are watching my videos and not subscribing it. So don't forget to do that and also take care. Miss you.